Hi, I'm Dan Belmont with Murray's Cheese. I just arrived here at Meredith Dairy. We're in Meredith, Australia, about 90 minutes west of the city of Melbourne. Here, the Cameron family makes the most luscious goat and sheep milk marinated feta. I cannot wait to try this cheese. Our host Angus Cameron is going to show me around the farm. We're going to meet some goats. I've been here for 5 minutes already, and I'm already covered in mud. It's going to be a great day.
So, people ask me if I get sick of it.
No, you can't.
I've been here for 20 years. I'll still put away a jar. Every year since I could remember, we've been planting trees. Like I had full-on calluses. Some people get calluses from playing guitar. I got calluses from planting trees. And 7,000, 10,000 trees a year. Now we're actually at the point where we're kind of running out of spots to put them. On this particular farm, we have about 2,500 animals, and about 1,800 of those we get milked every day, twice a day. Yeah, because we milk fresh daily, the milk doesn't have time to oxidize, and we don't have capacity to store milk. So any milk that comes in has got to be turned into cheese that day, and that's why you really don't get these strong goaty flavors that you get with some other goat's cheeses. It really just picks up the clean flavors within the milk. There's a lot of things that it sort of goes with, but Mum really likes to put it with the beetroot. It looks amazing, and it also just really balances out the sort of earthy flavor on sort of any root vegetable. Same with the carrots.
I'm not going to hold back. I'm going to get right in there.
You just go for it.
All right. And now, I mean, the oil's got so much flavor in there. You can use that oil for cooking, anything else. Right.
I love how people sort of repurpose certain aspects of it. Like they use the thyme and the peppercorns and the oil, and they'll either crush it up and use it as part of a cooking and like an omelette, or it works really well as a salad dressing. You can even keep some of the cheese in there in the jar with the olive oil and the peppercorns. Just add a bit of balsamic vinegar to it. Instant salad dressing.
That's fantastic. It's just the right amount of garlic too.
Yeah.
I love garlic. Like you could just cover me in garlic, but it's just a subtle hint where the milk flavors are still really shining through. That's delicious. My first night in Australia, I dined at the Sydney Opera House restaurant called Benelong, and they had a roasted carrot salad. Again, talking root vegetables here. And to my surprise, there was just a lovely pillow of this cheese buried under the salad. Yeah. It was just the best surprise.
Smashed avocado is a really big thing in Melbourne.
Anything avocados. When you can get a good avocado, there is nothing better.
Yeah, and like I got a very good friend who's he's the executive chef of Axel, basically, and he uses about a 50-50 ratio of our cheese and avocado. And just like the garlic flavor and with the oil in there as well, and then the real creaminess that the goat cheese adds to your
I mean, it's practically like it's whipped.
There's no aging process. Some people ask me, how long do you have to marinate it for before it picks up the flavor? And it's just not about that. It's about just getting really good quality ingredients.
Angus, my friend, you have been the most hospitable host. You and Sandy and Julie really made me feel like part of the family today. And it's what you guys are all about.
Yeah.
Your cheese is fantastic. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much for your day.
Out.
Really. Yep, it's my pleasure.
I'll drop in next time I come to New York.
Please do.